Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Marshall from Paw Patrol. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to draw Marshall from Paw Patrol, we're going to begin with the top. So I'm going to start right up here, and we just want to make a line that comes across for the top of his hat. Next, we'll make two lines that come up. Then you just want to make a line that comes across. Up here, we're going to make a little curved line on each side. Next, you want to make two little lines that are going to curve in just a little bit. Then we want to make a line that comes across. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and it's going to come down in like a big, tall, sad face. Then just draw a little line that comes across here. Inside of here, I'm going to make a line across with a line that goes down and then up. And for the little paw print, we'll add a circle in here with some smaller circles around it, or oval shapes. Next, we'll make a line that goes up, over, and then down. Now, starting in here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to go over and up. Then right here, we'll make a line that goes down and then up for an ear. And another one here, we're going to go down and then up for an ear. Right here, I'm going to make a circle for an eye. We'll leave some space, and then you want to make another circle for another eye over here. Starting here, we're going to make a little sad face for the nose. Then we're going to make a triangle, kind of like an upside down V, and then we'll color that in for the nose. And I'm going to draw it just a little bit higher up. Starting here, we'll make a little smiley face with a little line down. And then inside of here, we're going to add two little black dots. And each one's going to have a little white circle in there for the eyes. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just comes down. And we'll make another one that comes down here. Starting here, let's make a little sad face shape and then another little sad face shape here. I'll draw a line that comes across on each side. Then we just want to draw a line that comes up. And starting here, we'll make a little curved line across. Right here, we want to draw a line that comes up on each side with another little line right here. Starting here, we'll make a line that goes up and comes down. With another one here, just go up and then down for those back legs. We'll draw a little line that goes down and over, and another one that goes down and then comes over. Right here, we'll make a line that comes up to a point and then back down for the tail. Right here, I'm going to draw a little curved line across with a little circle for the tag. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes over and then down, and another one that goes over and down for his little pack. Next, I'll draw a little line across the top, and I'll make a little line that comes back up here towards the head. On the paws, I'm going to add a little curved line on the two front ones. Then I just want to add a few little spots onto the legs. Put a couple on the back legs too, in some different spots. And we're also going to put a little spot on each side of the face. Then we're also going to add just a few spots onto the ears. And there you go, there is your drawing of Marshall from Paw Patrol. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.